how to connect wallet on Hamster Kombat. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Hamster Kombat. After that, open up the option of airdrop at the bottom right hand side corner, and here you get the option to connect your Tone wallet. Simply click on it, and after that you will get the option to do it on Telegram itself. Simply click on it, and this way your wallet will be created. You will be given a 24-word phrase. Simply note that particular code down in any paper or in your copy, because it is quite important for you to save it. Otherwise you won't be able to recover your account in future. So it's better to save that 24-word phrase given to you, and this way your account will be created on Tone wallet using Telegram. And you can also go with other Tone wallets like Tone Keeper, and you can connect them quite easily. This way you will be able to connect your Hamster Kombat with Tone wallet, and this is how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.